my name is Kian and today we are going to show you about Pivot Animator. First of all, what is Pivot Animator? It is an animation app which you could animate without coding. So I'm going to show you one of my animations. So this is one example of a pivot animation which I made by myself. So let's play it. It's a backflip animation where a stickman is doing backflip. Okay, so let us make our first animation which is simple and you could try this at home. So we are going to talk about the controls first. These are the main and simplest controls, and this is how to add frame. It's also simple. So first let me teach you how to add frame. Either you could go here and click add frame, then you could add frame, or you could click space, then it does add frame. So you could do whatever you like better, but then it will just stay like this if you don't move the character. So you could just unloop it if you want. Then you could just do this. You can move the character around and add frame and add frame. We're making a kick animation, which will be simple for you guys. And now this is not looking good, so you could also change in between of the animation by clicking on the animations like this, and you could change it like that as well if you want to make anything better. If you like no, something is wrong in this animation, you can make it better, and then you could just click, and then you could just make an animation like you could do this, and then you got a kick. Let's try playing it. It looks so fast, so you could move the slow speed like this to down, so it could be down. This is one good simple animation. Yay! We made our video, guys. So now that was all which I wanted to show you. How to make a simple animation which you could try at home. At the next episode, I'm going to show you how to add a background and do other cool stuff. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Bye!